welcome back. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a fleet management system which is created by using the Google Sheet as a database and Google Web App Script. So this web dashboard can solve your problem or automate your task. So this web application is essential for the persons who run the taxi business or the transport businesses. Okay, so without wasting your time, I am going to explain you what exactly this system will do. So first of all, we just log out from this system, and this is our login system, and we have the forget password facilities as well. So we have the two user roles, the admin and the partner. But first we will learn about the admin. We will discuss about the admin. So I just copy the admin details and paste it here and click on this login. And when I click on this login, so you can see here, this is a dashboard overview of overall the system. And here, this is a quick statistics. Okay, so this is a provider services one today and this month and this year. And this is the amount daily cash card. So first of all, we need to check about what is the provider actually. So the provider is the term. What exactly is the provider? Let's take example. In this system we are running a taxi business, okay, taxi car services. Okay, so this is a system. So right now we have the 10 providers. Let's take example, this is a provider one. You can assume it, this is a company one, and the company one have given us the total two drivers. Means that these are the providers who give us the drivers and the cars for our businesses. Okay, so this is a provider one, and the provider one give us the two drivers and the two cars with these particular details, and we can also download the CSV file, PDF or print, etc. Okay, so this is the thing. These provider give us the two drivers and two drivers involved in particular different services. Okay, we understand, sir. And these two drivers have these two vehicles, okay, with these particular demo numbers. Okay, we understand this. And what exactly is this cross or tick icon? So this is icon, this data cannot be able to share to this particular partner's data. Okay, so if we have shared with partner, okay, if we have shared with partner, then this login can able to see that. Okay, so what is the partner? For example, we need to give a business to another city from our city, so then we need a partner there. So this is the actual role of the partner in our case here. Okay, so this is the thing. And what if you want to add a new provider? You can simply add a new provider here. Let's take example, I am adding a provider here, and this is a company name is MRI Scripts, our YouTube channel name. Okay, and here's where we can add any kind of the demo Gmail, okay, Gmail account. And here we can add any contact number, and status is active and shared with partners, and click on the save. So when I click on the save, now our provider is added out successfully. So this is a provider, and this provider right now have zero drivers given. Let's go to the drivers section. So when we will go to the driver section, here you will see these are the drivers information, and this driver is related to this provider ID, and this is individual. Here we have two type of drivers. Okay, one driver which owned by me, which is individual, and the second driver is which is given by any provider's company. Okay, let's take example, this is the thing. And same you can see here, this driver is actively involved in one services right now, and this driver actively involved in two services. And if I want to add a driver, so you can see I will add a drv 011 and individual node, it will given by this our recent created MRI scripts. The driver name is Ramesh. Okay, the driver name is Ramesh. Okay, the phone number we can add any kind of demo data. Vehicle number we can add here the demo car. Okay, we can add here the demo car, and the status is active, and click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now you can able to see here the driver is added out successfully in our system, and this is a driver. Now go to the providers again, and when we will go to the providers, as of now you can see these providers given the one driver. And what is that driver? The driver we have recently added, the driver name is Ramesh. Okay, we understand completely, sir. Now tell us what exactly is the services. The services is the heart of this system. The services section is very important in our system. What you can see, this is a provider, the daily card and the daily cash, three types. Okay, and this is a date of the trip from origin to destination. Okay, so here you can see this is a provider's car we have used, provider's car or drivers we have used. So we need to pay to the provider 320, and the driver price is this, and the total profit is this. Okay, means the client pays 320 and the driver pays is 260, and our total profit is this, and this is a cancelled. Okay, so what if you will edit? You just simply click on this completed. Have you paid to the provider that particular amount? Yes, we have paid to the driver to that amount. have to you pay to the driver, again paid, here's the provider, here's the driver, the payment is paid or not. Okay, on which date you will pay to the provider, on which date you will pay to the driver. Okay, understand? So this is your provider ID in this strip, and this is your driver in this strip. Okay, so this is your origin, destination, provider price, and the driver cost. Let's take example. This is under the 600, and this is the 540. Okay, so now the profit is 60, and if we make it 520, now the profit is 80. Auto calculation, the amount field is automatically set to 600. Okay, so now you can see this is your notes and share with partners or not, and click on this save. So when you click on this save, as of now, you can able to see here the services is updated out successfully, and you can see the statuses as well. Okay, so one more thing, sir. There's a daily card or daily cash, but here's who you the providers or the driver price is not. Yes, just go to the ad, and in the provider you can see you need to pay because this is a provider's driver or car we will use. And this is daily cash means we run the our taxi personally, and we will complete the trip and get the cash or buy the car. So we in that case we just only need amount because all the amount for that individual driver, not anyone else. So this is the and other thing. Okay, so hope you understand this. And okay, now this is a daily work. So what exactly is the daily work? This data is the temporary. Okay, let's take example. You have add entry in today date. Let's take example, today is 6th January, and I have earned 7800 euro, $7,800 in cash, and the 5600 in card, and click on this save. So in the end of the day, I can add on this particular date I have earned this amount of cash and this amount of card, and the total amount is this. Okay, so you can also update them easily. Okay, that's you we will understand this. Now in the providers section you can see this is a provider, and in the provider section everything is fine. And in the drivers, okay, so in the driver section we have a report feature as well. What is that report feature? We will just simply click on this loading report, and now you can able to see here we are in the report section, and our report is being fetched out automatically. So right now this driver have not any kind of report yet. Okay, so this is the total services you do, nothing. Total earnings, nothing. Average, nothing. Okay, let's check it the driver one and click on this load report. So you can see this is a for the driver one, and we will check it out that driver one data is available in our system or not. Let we will check it. So you can see the data is loaded out successfully. So these are the things. Now we will move to the users management section. So in the users management section you can add, edit, update, or the partners here. Okay, so this is a thing, and we will also check out the partner role right now. So in the settings section you will see in our previous video I already told to you these are the basic features you will get in our any kind of application which we will upload in future. Or okay, so you can see, let me show you for the new viewers what exactly this feature is this. Okay, let's take example, your company branding is this. So your each user can modify their dashboard according to their favorite colors. So this is that all the feature that will be implemented continuously for the same in over all the dashboard. So you can see over all the dashboard look is changed out successfully. So in the my account section you can change the password or you can change your name. So this is a light or dark mode feature. So that's all. So we just log out from the system and just go to the sheet and copy this particular email ID for the partner login. So you can see the color is changed because right now no one is logged in here. So there is a thing, the admin is changed their color. So the admin whenever login again, they will get this particular color overall the system. So this is a feature for our new viewers who are new to this video. I just overview this feature for you. Okay, so we just log in as a partner right now. We are logged in as a partner. Partner can able to see the dashboard same as the admin, and in the services section I will show you they can only able to see the shared one, not the unshared. We have that cross or tick icons, right? We have the two type of icons, the red or green. So green means it is shared to the partners, so only shared data can able to see in the services section of the partner login. Okay, so in the providers they can only able to see the providers but cannot able to add, edit, or delete the providers. So in the drivers section they can add, edit, update, or delete the providers, and remaining these all the features will be same like the reporting section and everything. So this is our fleet management system. And then lastly, this is a mobile friendly interference as well. Okay, so our all the applications which we uploaded from our previous last two videos is completely mobile friendly and give you a better interference on your mobile screens. So this is, you can see in the services section. When we will go to the services section and just come to here and click on this edit, you can simply use them in a mobile friendly interference. Hope you like this video, you like this concept, and if you want more videos something like that, you can simply comment the ideas. To give me the ideas, I will convert into the reality. So thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.